Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check storage uses in Google One on phone. If you're using Google One on your phone, checking your storage regularly helps you stay in control, avoid running out of space since the storage is shared across your entire Google account. Including Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos, it's important to know exactly what is using your space. The Google One app on your phone makes this very easy by showing a clear visual breakdown of your storage. First, open to your Google One on your phone and make sure you have signed in with your Google account already. And as soon as you open the app, you'll land on this home dashboard here. You can simply go to your storage on the bottom there. And under the storage, you can find all of this storage of your Google Drive, Gmail or the Google Photos as well. And this gives you a quick overview of your usage as well. You can simply select to this sync data on the bottom there. And over here, you can simply tap on the clean up account storage there. And over here, you'll find this detailed breakdown of your Google Photos, Gmail and the Google Drive and how much storage usage has been done over here as well. And storage is shared across all the Google services. Deleted files still use space until you empty trash. Storage updates may take a few minutes and if your storage, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.